Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Now it's the part 2 of my video. I apologize for the first part, but I haven't got any more memory on my phone. But I will show you the end of my purchase. Just before to follow, I just show you again this piece because I love this letter, and I'm very happy to grab this, to pick up this for really a few bucks. And there is two stamp of United States to celebrate the centennial of the baseball. On this stamp must to be edited or printed in 1933 or 1938 or something like this, but very near. Okay, I will just follow what I will try to show in my part one of this video. I purchased from a German seller some pages, and to be honest, I really don't know what is it. If all the spectators get this document, and only you must to pay a few bucks, and it only for the VIP spectator, or maybe for the official, I don't know, but and this is it's a document about the Dallas Cowboys versus the New York Giants, Sunday, September 13 at the Giant Stadium. And you see so many, you see all the players, the roster, that's crazy. You get also the coach. And for the Giants, you get Bill Parcells, Bill Belichick, or Tom Conley also, or so many great coach. Bill Parcells, Bill Belichick, Tom Conley also was a head coach in NFL. Romeo Crennel too, Ron Ehard, Al Groh, Randall, I think he was a head coach few years. Fred Ogling, Johnny Parker, Mike Pop, Mike Sweetman, and Charlie Weiss, I think also he was a head coach. And for the Cowboys, you get Jimmy Johnson. That's really crazy. I will show you my other acquisition about this paper. What is okay? I get 3 remaining about these pages. This is Seattle versus Los Angeles, Sunday, November 17, 1991, Los Angeles Coliseum. That is great. I would just say the biggest names that I saw. Dave Creek, quarterback for the Seahawks. McGuire Chris must to be the brother of the famous Mark McGuire, baseball player. For the reader, you get Howie Long, famous. Ronnie Lott, that is crazy good. For the offense, for the Raiders, Willie Gault, that's crazy. Jay Fernandez, oh, he was very, very good. Tim Brown, a legendary player. Roger Cray, Marcus Allen on the backfield, that's crazy, crazy. And just to look for the coach, that is the Raider coach. Archel, great. Dave Adolfo, Fred Biletnikoff, oh great. Gunther Cunningham, Kim Helton, Hertz Leggett, Odis McKinley, Steve Ortmeyer, Terry Robisky, I think he was a head coach, maybe for the Browns, something. Joe Scanella, Tom Sperber, Jack Stanton, Tom Walsh, Mike, okay, Doug Wilkerson. And for the Seahawks, I don't know, Chuck Knox, okay, famous coach. Okay, for the honor, okay, nice. Next. Oh, that is a great to see. No, that, what is it, this? Seattle Seahawks versus New England Patriots, Sunday, October 7. Great. Irving Freya, very nice. Okay. I will not show you all the names because I don't want to annoying you. On my last, it's a NCAA document, exactly a little the same page, is UCLA. Oh, watching this. Up and down. What is it? Sorry. That is Saturday, November 16, 1991 Rose Bowl. It is UCLA versus Oregon. Of course, I will not say you all the name. I don't know many people in this document. Just mentioned to Tommy Maddox for the UCLA, and I don't know this coach, but Terry Donahue, and it must be one of the great UCLA coach because he coached at least 16 seasons, and he has a great record. 1-2 victory, 54 lost, and 8 tie. Okay, next. What I get? Oh, this document is really crazy. For the same seller, I don't know if you're going to show well. It's a document how improve your baseball. This book looks very well. I don't know in which year it was edited. Maybe in the 50s, or maybe in the 14th. I don't know, but I love the looking of this book. And for this moment, I not read it. I will try just to, but that is crazy that they speak about the history of the game. Not if you look like the page. Okay, nice. The editor is he's on this page. Athletic Institute at Chicago. I think he edited another book for another sport, but it's crazy. I will not show you all the page, but that how to throwing to running back for every that it's crazy, and it's really all book. I don't know in which year it was edited, but it was crazy nice. On the background is this, on the cover is this. And very happy. I will try to read it, but very nice purchase. Next, for the same seller, I don't know if you see very well, but I will just put a little. I can. Okay, that is very nice because I'm European, I'm French, and I love to learn about the World League, and that is the first magazine edited by the NFL about the World League. On this magazine, I will not show you all the pages, but this magazine looks very interesting. Many articles about the NFL, about the player. That it's really crazy because the World League was created in 1991. Then they play another season in 1992. Unfortunately, they lost money, and during 2 years, the World League was done. And 2 years later, they create the NFL Europe. Only some team in Europe. On the NFL Europe, they get some seasons. They get some. Sorry, I don't speak very well, but anyway. But it's very interesting. I will try to read the article. I'm very happy to grab this this magazine. And okay, that it's great. And I will show you my two last magazine. That same seller. It's a Dodger 1983 magazine. I'm very happy to grab this. I will try. It's a little bit a throwback magazine, but this magazine has nearly 40 years, and I will try to read it and looks to get some really nice article, nice pages. Dodger is one team what I like too because I love the color and the uniform, and I will not show you all the page. Oh, that is a famous Sandy Koufax. Oh, great. Maybe I will show you, I get an autograph of Sandy Koufax. I don't know if it's a real autograph or not, but a day maybe I will show you this autograph because I'm very intriguing about this autograph. That it's great. On the last magazine, it's another great hit. It's the official program of the Mets. That it's crazy. Look on the look. It's a throwback looking, but it's so great. At the back, on the bottom, it's right. Shea Stadium Flushing. That it's great. And I will not show you all the pages, but okay, that is will great, 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 great. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best, and I will just maybe just few pages again. Look on this. That is great. Oh, look, that is very all magazine. That is crazy, crazy, crazy. This magazine is 40 years old. That is crazy, and I will read it with really with pleasure. And oh, that is great. Is it Joe Torre on this left? No, or maybe Joe Torre. Oh, it's Joe Torre Secret. Okay, because I really get the habit to saw it with the Yankee uniform, but okay, it's Joe Torre. Okay, he also was a manager for the Nets. That's okay. That's great. Okay, I will not show you all the pages, but just the cover. That is great, 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 great. Oh, I love this. I love this. Flushing Meadow. Thank you for watching. I wish you your best. Happy collecting. Bye bye.